Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about healthy living and weight loss. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make detox water for weight loss. Detox water is a great way to stay hydrated and boost your metabolism, and it's also a delicious and refreshing drink. So, let's get started. Detox water has become increasingly popular in recent years, as people seek out natural ways to improve their health and well-being. It is a simple and refreshing way to stay hydrated and can be enjoyed by people of all ages. There are many different ways to make detox water, but one of the simplest is to simply add fresh fruit, vegetables, or herbs to water. Some popular ingredients include lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint. The ingredients you choose will determine the taste and nutritional value of your detox water. Detox water is said to have a number of health benefits, including aiding in weight loss, boosting metabolism, and improving digestion. It is also a great way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables. If you are looking for a healthy and refreshing way to stay hydrated, detox water is a great option. It is easy to make at home and can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Making detox water for weight loss is simple and refreshing. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 lemon, sliced. 1/2 cucumber, sliced. 1 inch ginger, grated. A handful of fresh mint leaves. 2 liters, about 8 cups, of water. Instructions: prep the ingredients. Wash the lemon, cucumber, and mint leaves thoroughly. Slice the lemon and cucumber into thin rounds. Grate the ginger. Peel and grate the ginger finely. Combine in a pitcher. In a large pitcher, add the lemon slices, cucumber slices, grated ginger, and mint leaves. Add water. Pour the 2 liters of water into the pitcher. Infuse. Stir the ingredients gently to mix them. Let the detox water sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to infuse. Serve and enjoy. After infusing, you can strain the water if you prefer. Pour the detox water into glasses over ice and enjoy. Tips: customize. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients like berries, oranges, or even a hint of cinnamon. Stay hydrated. Make sure to drink this detox water throughout the day to stay hydrated and reap the benefits. Detox water can be a great addition to your routine, not only for weight loss but also for overall health. Enjoy the natural flavors and stay refreshed. And there you have it, your homemade detox water for a fresh start on your health journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for joining us today. For more healthy tips and recipes, stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay hydrated, stay healthy. Cheers.